Assalamualaikum friends. In this video we will learn the most precious and high rated car of Ferrari company. It is 250 GTO, which is doubted in 1963 Holy Grail model that has been sold by $52 million. The car won the Tour de France in 1964, which is one of the most famous and historical motor race in the world. It is an incredible, rare and being one of just 16 manufactured between 1962 and 1964. The car has been driven and on display at events across the world, but has been based in Germany for the past few years. The Ferrari, known as 4153 GT, has now been sold by $70 million, the record-breaking figure of Quark. Leading Ferrari historian Marcel Messier, who described the car as one of the top 3 or 4 GTOs in the world, confirmed it had been bought by an American businessman. Mr. Messier also claimed that a GTO would be sold by $100 million within a few years. During the 1990s, the GTO was restored by Hartford Hire-based DK Engineering. The blue chip car specialist once involved in the $52 million deal. James Cotigan, vehicle acquisition specialist at DK Engineering, said, "This is without doubt one of the best 250 GTOs. Is extensive in terms of history and originality. Its period competition is very good. It won the Tour de France, which is big tick, and was 4th overall at the Men's, which was the mega result. It was raced by Écurie Française Champion, who are one of the most iconic and famous independent Ferrari teams. It has never had a big accident and it is highly original." The 250 GTO, sometimes described as the Picasso of the car world, is a sought-after classic car. It has competed in the number of racing disciplines, including hill climbs, track race, and long-distance road race. At the 1964 Écurie France Champion, teammates Lucien Bianchi and George Berger comfortably drove 4153 GT to victory ahead of the Ferrari team. It was its all-round drivability combined with look and reality that has made the 250 GTO the holy grail of cars. Powering the 250 GTO is the 3-liter 12-volt engine, which developed more than 300 horsepower, giving it 60 mph time of 6.1 seconds and a top speed more than 174 mph.